Welcome everyone once again to my YouTube channel. Today we're back with another video, and in this one, I'll be showing you a new VPN app that helps you get a stable and secure internet connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions, so you don't miss future videos. Now, let's get started. Music first, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type TM Tunnel VPN. This VPN can help you enjoy a faster and more reliable internet connection. From the list of results, select TM Tunnel VPN. Take note of the app name and its icon so you can identify the right one. After that, tap on it and install the app on your device. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch it. Before we continue, just a quick reminder. On this channel, we always share apps and tools that can help you improve your online experience. So now, let's open the app. When you reach the home screen, you'll need to make a few simple settings to get the best performance. First, tap the three lines at the top corner. From the menu, select Online Update. This will refresh the app's resources so you can get the latest connection settings. Next, choose a server that works well in your location. You can tap the server box and select a server manually or simply leave it on Auto Select Server. This allows the app to automatically pick the best one for your area. Then, choose your network type. Tap the network option box and in the search bar type UDP. If UDP isn't supported in your country, you can choose another network name from the list that works best for your location. For this tutorial, we'll select All Country UDP, which works globally. If your VPN session time runs out, you can extend it by tapping the Add Time button. This will allow you to keep using the VPN connection without interruption. Finally, to connect, tap the Start button. As you can see, it is connected successfully. That's how you can get a fast and secure connection using TM Tunnel VPN. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.